Welcome to Level Up Your Business. My name is Shanita Nicole, and I have been an entrepreneur since 2003. And over the next few lessons, I want to share with you some tips and some techniques to grow your home business. So in this first lesson, we're going to talk about getting started, getting organized, and making a plan for your business so you can avoid any potential pitfalls on your road to success. Since you made the wise decision to sign up for this short course, I'll assume that you are one of the brave few that understand how exciting and rewarding having a business can be. A successful home business gives you the freedom to set up your own hours, control your financial future, spend more time doing the things that you love to do, things that you can't always do while working a traditional 9-to-5 job. It's very alluring lifestyle and one that many never reach for because they don't know how, they don't think it will work. Well, simply they're just afraid to try. As with anything in life, when it comes to growing your business, there are some potential pitfalls along the way, but with some simple planning, they can be easily avoided, which can help ensure the success of your business from the very beginning. Make a plan. There are several things you can do during the startup process to make it easier if you do it right, and you should be able to successfully run your business without any extra added stress. One of the first things you should do is make a schedule to separate your business hours from your home life. When you work from home, it's very easy to let the two blend, which can be a recipe for disaster. Because your home business is in your home, it's tempted to work all hours of the day and all hours of the night, especially if you are working online. Many business owners fall into this trap when you would get tempted to take on additional projects, fill orders, take on tasks that bleed your home life because you feel like it's the only way to succeed. But the truth is, if you don't set limits for yourself, you'll find that you won't be able to produce quality work or get as much done, and your home life will suffer as well. Everybody needs some downtime, so don't be afraid to take it. In order to avoid this problem, you need to set realistic business hours. Look at the hours you want to work, just like a regular office. Your home business should have office hours and hours when you're not available. It's simply too easy to work all the time, even if you need the money. However, keeping hours and making sure that you keep them regularly is a good way to make sure you'll have ample time for business, home, and family. It's called work and life balance. Office space. So it's important to set up a dedicated office space or workspace for your business, and you want to keep it separate from the rest of your home. Many business owners skip this step and their business takes over their entire house before they realize what happened. Your home office does not have to be big or fancy or a separate room. It can simply be a corner of your kitchen, which I have done before. A corner of your living room or a spare bedroom, just so it's dedicated for your business, which will make it much easier for you to keep the two things separate. If you can keep your home and business apart, you'll have a much better chance of managing them both well. Support system. Lastly, it's important to have a good support system in place. This can be a coach, a mentor, someone in a similar business, or simply your family and friends. You need to have people close to you who will encourage you and give you the support that you need. This is very important. You can also join your Chamber of Commerce, online communities, Facebook groups, forums, people in the same industry as your own. A good support network is very important to the success of your home business, so don't take it for granted.